Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to use add colon hover condition with a colon before or a colon after in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see we are using icon. When we hover on it, then text hover effect show, but icon hover effect not show. So we are going to add hover effect with before. So we will do this using custom CSS, and you will use this CSS in WordPress, PHP or HTML website. Now go to CSS section. So we are in additional CSS, and now you see class, and we are using a colon before. Then you see this is our icon content and this is our number. So we are going to add hover effect with a colon before. Now add CSS. Now paste. Now you see we added a colon hover, and then you see columns, and then you see before. So this is format. If you are using a colon after, then you can add after here and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see dashboard with icon. Now hover on it and then you see icon color change. Again hover on it and then you see icon color red. On hover effect, back to CSS. So this is format, a colon hover and then columns, and then you see before. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.